Today I'm going to show you how to add work experience to your Fiverr seller account. So adding previous work experience is pretty important on a Fiverr profile because what you want to showcase to potential paying clients is who you are, what kind of work you've done in the past. So you're going to scroll down over here on this page. We're going to come down to work experience, and here it says add work experience. Here you can add your title. So we can say social media manager. We can also go down over here, employment type. This is optional, but we can just say full-time. Company name, you can add in a company name here. And then you can also add that you currently work here or not. If you do, there'll only be a start date option. So you can just say your start date. Let's go ahead and choose a start date. We can also go ahead and choose an end date. You can also add your job history and achievements to give clients a little bit more of an insight of who you are, again, what type of work you do, and why you would be a good choice to hire. You can also go ahead and add some skills that are pertaining to this position, and once you start typing, you will be able to see some suggestions, and once these suggestions come up, you can choose from the list. So just for example, social media management, I'm going to choose that. And here we can click on add, and this will now be added as work experience.